Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching this video from. Guys, do you remember the time I did a video in Kamerinda? Hmm? Do you remember that time I did some videos in Kamerinda? Okay, we are going to dive into this rich area of Kamerinda. The last time I showed you the Kamerinda, maybe let me say the middle class area, but this is one of the richest area here in Kamerinda or here in Luanshya. But let me introduce myself. My name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece. I'm a vlogger from Zambia. I always travel, and if I'm not traveling, then which means I'm with my family. If I'm not with my family, then I'm at my business. So right now I'm vlogging, I'm traveling, I've traveled, let me just say, just to show you this beautiful place here in Luanshya called Kamerinda. So please guys, as you've joined, and if you're new to the channel, please do me a favor, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. If you do enjoy my videos, please consider yourself liking this video and subscribe to the channel. And let me remind you, each and every time whenever I do a video, think of something in that area that you can do, because every place that I go to, there are always opportunities. What opportunities can you see in this richest area here in Luanshya called Kamerinda? The beauty of my country, Zambia, is coming out through massive development which is happening here in the country. The new Kamerinda here in Luanshya is something unbelievable that everyone can see how people they are coming up with some houses and how people they are coming out with some of the designing of their houses. So it's so important to see and learn what is happening here in Zambia with these houses that are being built. Bwana Shani, ino area muita sana Kamerinda. Oh, fine. One day for I can just we can get for one shot. Go come to one shot. It's a festival. My area is such issue. And go down to Natote. If you have an opportunity to build your own house or your own premises, you know, Sometimes I always advise to say maybe go through some areas, check out some design, because there are some of the designing that are not happening, and there are some of the designing of the houses that are happening. So you can make your own beautiful paradise at your own place, according to how you feel, or according to how you are going to make that place. So this is so important. This is so good to think in this way, because people, they're coming up with some attractive areas. The opportunity of having money is there, but how to come up with that opportunity of you becoming successful in everything that you are doing. This is one of the successful area here in Kamerinda. I call it a rich place because it is so different to the Kamerinda that you know, the Kamerinda that I showcased in the other months. But this one is one of the rich area, and this is an area where plots, where mansions, where there is massive development. And I'm so happy to notice, or I'm so happy to witness these types of development which is happening. A lot of people, they say that you cannot build near the river, but you can hear the flow of water somewhere. You hear? You can feel, or you can hear the flow of water somewhere. People, they are building. You see this building that you are seeing behind me. That building is near the river. Near the river. But see how that person has built that building. So the opportunity of you having money, of the opportunity of wanting to have these kinds of areas or these kinds of yards, it's everywhere here in Zambia. That's why, guys, I always tell you to say, when you come to Zambia, Zambia has got a massive land where you can build whatsoever type of a house that you want. You see, that is an empty place, and those are plots. Those are plots. And this new Kamerinda, it is something so brilliant, something so good, and something so gorgeous. And I'm so happy, guys. I'm just so happy. Let's go and vlog and see some other types of properties. Today we are on property reviews here in Kamerinda, the richest area here in Luanshya. The very first day I came to Luanshya, that was maybe 4 years ago. That time I wasn't doing this type of content. I came across this new area. This new area here in Kamerinda is just near Ronnie Anthrop ShopRite, or where there is Welcome to Luanshya. This is an area where it was an empty land. Now when you come here, if you are going to come here, you're going to be surprised to say that there is massive development. There is a lot of development which are happening here. So guys, take an opportunity of every land which is nearby residential areas or which is nearby town centers. Take an opportunity. If you have that kind of a land, do not sell it, because those lands, they're going to be expensive. So this is the time now to take those opportunities and keep those lands. This is a plot. This is a plot here. These are blocks. So let me just reach there. Then there is an opportunity of you having a land here. All these are plots. All these are plots. All these are plots. You see? And this seems like this is the main road. So this is the main road. This is the main road, you can see. So all this area, they are plots. You can see somebody has even built there. Let's just go reach there and then come back. So guys, as you've seen, when you take a look at this area behind me, these are plots that you're seeing there. So there is an opportunity of people to have plots there. I'm telling you, this is one of the wonderful place, and this is one of the rich area here in Kamerinda, Luanshya. Why am I saying that this is a rich place? Because of the houses that are being built here. You cannot see an ordinary Zambian building something like this. You see? Yes, he can be an ordinary Zambian, but then that person is somebody who is having some cash. So this is Kamerinda, new Kamerinda here in Luanshya, and I'm so happy that this area is coming up like this, and a lot of properties are being built. So many good property. So there is a massive development here in Kamerinda. Wow, I'm so impressed. Massive development in Kamerinda. So guys, we are in Luanshya. We travel all the way from Lola to come to Luanshya just to come and vlog here, because this is what I do. And I also do family videos, like I'm with my family, we are chatting, we are doing all sort of things with the family. Also I do business, you know. So even, let me say, I do business, and the same business, it's what funds this channel. So like for me to travel to come here, I just had to save some money to say, okay, I need to go to this area. I need to show people this area to say, okay, in Zambia, we've got this kind of a nice place. So you see, this is a plot. There is an unfinished building there. That is unfinished building. So, you know, when you love something, you love it with your heart. When you love something, you love that thing with your heart. Same as me. I just love doing this content each and every day. When you ask me to say, do you get paid every month? No, I don't even get paid. But my aim is just to showcase the massive developments that are happening here in Zambia. Some of our friends who left Zambia a long time ago, they've been saying that Zambia is just a poor country. Zambia, there is nothing good about Zambia. This time, there is something good about Zambia. Even just the peace. The peace itself is something good about Zambia. The development that are happening, it's something good about Zambia. You can build your own America here in Zambia. You can build your own England here in Zambia. If you are having a good place, you are having a big land, can't you build what you want? You can, you know. So that mentality of people trying to say or degrading Zambia as a country, to say Zambia is not a good country, Zambia is just a poor country, that mindset should now come to an end. Zambia is one of the beautiful, beautiful countries. You can see how people, they are living very quiet. You see, they are living so quiet and nobody to trouble them. I heard somebody from a certain channel was saying that in America, you won't get this comfortability when you are in America. You will never hear, here in Zambia, you will never hear some gunshots. You will never hear people there, they're doing this. Yes, and that is true. That is true. Zambia is a land or a country which is in the southern region of Africa, and Zambia, everywhere you go in Zambia, there is that opportunity. That's why I told you to say, as you're watching this video, try to find some opportunities in this video. This is what I say. So guys, I think you've seen the opportunities that are here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, share, and subscribe. I'm out.